Here's a quick tutorial showing how to use slicex to perform a tracked blur to obscure the numbers in a license plate. Trim your clip to length, and then apply the slicex Blur Shape Mask plugin. Click Open Editor. We now get a full screen editor that contains a workspace already set up with your source clip and a trackable blur effect with a temporary mask. Scrub to a point in the timeline where the area to be tracked is clearly visible, has the least distortion, and is fairly large in frame. To draw a new mask, select one of the masking tools, the polygon tool in this case, and draw a 4-point polygon. You can feather the edges of the mask for a more natural blend. Now choose the blur shape mask itself. Adjust the blur type and strength. In this case, I set it to disk blur and strength 12. Track forward and backward. And we're good to go. slicex runs on both Intel and Apple Silicon systems. Check out the free slicex trial if you haven't already.